Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how I used Power BI to transform raw sales data into an interactive dashboard. First, let's take a look at the raw data, which consists of rows and columns with the basic sales information. And then I imported this raw data into Power BI and cleaned and transformed it to make it ready for analysis. From this data, I created different KPIs and visuals to understand important business metrics such as total sales and total profit, total orders and profit margin. I also created some visuals like total sales by category, total sales and the total profit by order date, and total profit by region, and then total sales by product. It's help us to analyze to understand how different products and categories are performing. The main advantage of using Power BI is that we can transform this raw data into an interactive dashboard instead of just viewing it as a static table. For example, when I select a particular product or category, the other visuals and KPI cards automatically updates and shows the data related to this selected section. This cross filtering and interactive make it easier to export the data, drill down into specific areas, and identify useful business insights. Overall, Power BI helps us transform raw data into meaningful information and present it through an interactive, user-friendly business intelligence dashboard. Thank you for watching.